Welcome to today's standing yoga. All the yoga poses are basic, simple, and easy to follow. I go slow so you have plenty of time to get into the standing yoga pose and get a beautiful stretch. All you need today is your mat and your body. You're my teammate today. You're my partner. We're going to focus on flexibility, mobility, and creating elasticity in our muscles. Are you ready to go? I am. I'll see you on the mat. Welcome to this basic standing yoga. Grab a mat and your body. That's all you're going to need. You're here to unwind, de-stress, and rebalance your body. We're going to just start in a beautiful mountain pose. Your feet are simply hip-width apart. And we're going to stand up nice and tall. Let's melt our shoulders away from our ears, palm space away from our body. And just like a mountain, let's root nice and strong into the earth. And we will just breathe a beautiful inhale as you lift your hands. And exhale as you come heart center. 3 more. Beautiful inhalation. And a beautiful exhalation. 2 more. Inhale. One more. A beautiful inhalation. And exhale. We're going to go into the tree pose. So you're going to lift that left leg. You're going to slide it up as high as you can on that inner thigh. We're going to come to heart center. We are working on balance. And we are rooting our body just like a tree roots to the ground. Now, if you want, hands can come up and out. Beautiful balance pose and a beautiful rooting to the earth pose. As you all know, I am a RYT 200 level yoga instructor. Just splay your fingers. Open up and through your rib cage. Feel your right foot rooting to the ground. Feel the earth's energy just course through your body. Eye gaze can be coming up into the ceiling. Hands heart center. Slide that left toe down. Come back into mountain pose. Shoulders set back. We are here to stand tall and stand firm into the earth. Chest open, shoulders set back, down and away from our ears. We will begin to take our hands, heart center, and now you will slide that right foot up as high as you can into this beautiful tree pose. We are rooting our left foot into the ground just like a tree roots into the ground.
How many mountains?
Focusing on balance.
Get some confidence. How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass. I'm still
Fingers can come up. Splay your fingers. Open and lift through the rib cage. Eye gaze can be forward and on the horizon.
I'm losing ground. Pretend to tell me
Everything opens. Fingers come to heart center. Slide the right finger down, right foot down, shoulders back, mountain pose, stand tall. Standing side stretch. Take the left foot to the side. We are going to awaken our inner thighs and our groin. We're going to just place the left hand on top of the left thigh. Right hand comes up and over. Eye gaze to your arm. Or you can gaze forward. Or you can gaze at the top of the hand. Let's awaken our inner leg from the groin all the way to the ankles. Eye gaze can come to the hand, arm, or ceiling. Standing side stretch. Take it up, bend through the right knee. Let's enliven the left inner thigh from the groin, inner thighs all the way to the ankle. Put a bend in the right knee. Right hand on top of the right thigh. Left hand up and over. Gaze to your left hand, your left arm, or the ceiling. Feel your inner thigh all the way from your groin, all the way to the ankle. Open up. And come up. Triangle pose. We're going to mobilize in through the hips. We're going to stretch our torso. We're going to open our chest. And we're going to allow for deeper breathing. So we're going to straighten our legs. We're going to take our hands. We're going to reach. We're going to take the left hand on top of the left thigh, left lower leg, or behind. Eye gaze to the ceiling, right here. This is a beautiful triangle pose. We're mobilizing the hips. We're stretching the torso. We're opening the chest, which will allow for deeper breathing. You can have that left finger, left hand behind the left toe if you have that mobility. Eye gaze to your right hand or the ceiling.
Turn around and show your face. Let me see parts of you.
Feel the chest open. Breathe deeper into the lungs. Take the right hand down. Take your right toe to the right side. Let's mobilize in through the right hip. Let's stretch the torso on this side. And let's open the chest for deeper breathing on this side. So reach the right fingertip. Take it where you can. And look up. Getting some beautiful mobility in through this hip. No tension in the head, neck, or shoulders.
Stay close when it
Take your right hand up. Wide leg forward. This is an expansive stretch. We can all start by putting our hands on our thighs and coming down to where you're comfortable. Hands can touch the ground. This is an expansive stretch. Just release in through your upper body. Now, if you want, you can interlace your fingers behind you, and you can get a chest expansion as well. Arms just hang. This is a beautiful, expansive stretch. Feel the opening. Feel the energy flowing through your body. Everyone, place your right hand in the center, left fingertips to the ceiling.
I can reach you from a distance.
Eye gaze to your left hand or the ceiling.
So beautiful.
A beautiful, expansive stretch,
Within the silence.
creating space. Left hand on the ground, right fingertip to the ceiling. Eye gaze to the right hand or the ceiling. Feel the expansion, the space, and the opening your body is giving you. Place your hand on the ground and walk it toe heel in so your feet are hip width apart. Place your hands on top of your thighs. Roll it up one vertebra at a time. Nice and slow. Shoulders set back. Down and away from your ears. All right, let's come back into the mountain pose. Feet hip width apart. Shoulders set back, down and away from your ears. Palms face away. And stand tall, chest open. We're going to go into a deep forward fold. We are going to stretch our hamstring and our lumbar spine. We're going to get fresh blood to the brain, and we're going to feel a sense of well-being in this deep forward fold. Inhale. And as you exhale, walk your fingertips to the ground. You're going to feel this beautiful lumbar stretch, hamstring stretch. You're getting blood to the brain. And you feel a sense of overall well-being with this deep forward fold. Now, if you would like, grab your elbows and just hang. Beautiful basic standing yoga poses today for vitality. It's going to help these poses to rebalance, revitalize, and just make you feel really good and an overall sense of well-being today. Release. This is our last song. Just sit in this deep forward fold. Feel your hamstrings lengthen. Feel your lumbar spine release.
To get through to you, misty blue. In any kind of weather, I thought of you, misty blue. It's hard to
Everyone, put a bend in your knee. Roll it up one vertebra at a time.
one comes close, an undiscovered landscape.
Feet hip width apart.
You are,
Place your hands on top of your thighs.
you are.
Come forward, goddess stretch. Look over the left shoulder. Press the right knee to the outside of your body for a beautiful groin stretch.
On the corner of Baker Street, I met you.
Look over your right shoulder, goddess stretch.
And
rotation.
In my mind since then. Hey, you know it. Oh, nothing compares to us. It's like a constant.
Come center, roll it up one vertebra at a time.
An undiscovered landscape filled with hope.
Toe heel in so your feet are hip width apart. Shoulder roll back. Shoulders roll back down and away from your ears.
Now you run beside me, heart wide open.
Feel the shoulders come forward, back, down,
And I can focus
and
on
away.
nothing but you. What a feeling.
Let the shoulders drop.
It's like we
Right
have
ear, right
arrived
shoulder.
where nothing comes close.
Left ear, left shoulder.
An undiscovered landscape filled with hope. You are.
Right ear, right shoulder.
You are a golden territory.
Left ear, left shoulder.
Let the world know.
Back to mountain pose. Standing tall, shoulders set back. Down and away from your ears. Chest open. Stand tall and firm and rooted. Big inhale. And exhale as you come to heart center. Just let all the stress melt away. One more time. Big inhale. And a big exhale to heart center. How about one more beautiful breath in and out? Beautiful big inhale. And exhale. Beautiful basic standing yoga poses today. I hope you look in the description box below and try some of my other basic and easy to follow extended stretches for mobility, flexibility, and creating elasticity in your muscles. We want to improve our range of motion in our joints, and these extended stretches will absolutely do that for you. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. Blessings to me and blessings to you. Namaste. Goodbye.